Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video segment, we will be replacing the cabinet air filter in a 2010 Sprinter. If you're not a subscriber, hit that little red button, become a subscriber right away. So let's get started. You can get these filters from any aftermarket or get them straight from the dealer. This is the part number that I will be using on this video. I wish all filters were like this. This is the most pleasant filter to replace. It has two clips that actually hold it. Just pull it out, replace it. And sometimes it's the most neglected filter to actually be replaced. What a bit difference. Now your airflow is going to go towards the cab of the vehicle. So that's where we want to put it back in. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now, I want to point out one thing. The main problem that I see with these cabin air filters is the section here on the hood. I have seen some hoods actually bent just like this, where it should be straight and it's sealed. It actually sealed up against the cabin air filter. So just take time to actually put on some gloves, or just grab a tool, or just try to make sure that this whole section is level. Well, now you know how to replace your own cabin air filter. I want to thank you for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Take care, work safely, and God bless.